Let me read. This is this one. This one is for... This one's for Bobby. This one's Bobby's, Ella. This... Oh, Ella. This one's for you.
Yeah, it has pretty stuff in it. My new red truck. Mommy's here. Hey, look at the mommy.
Is that a mommy car?
Yeah.
Can you tell Grandma thank you?
Thank you.
You like it?
Can you, Ella, tell Grandma Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Do you know what this is?
Oh, Mommy, look inside this. There's bubbles. Will that little car like to splash in it? Yeah, with a flasher.